welcome to Matrix Fight Night 15. If you're just joining us, you are joining us live on Disney Hotstar, and the gates are open, so come take your seats at the Noida Indoor Stadium as we get set for the first fight of the evening in the strawweight division. The women are opening the show. Jojo Kumari taking on the debutante Dhruv Rekha Chaudhary. My name is Arjun Chupagati, joined by Rahul Jhabra and Jason Solomon, and here we go.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज की पहली फाइट जो की है स्ट्रॉवेट डिवीजन में, और यहाँ पे जोजो कुमारी डिस्टेंस नापती हुई एक इनसाइड किक मारने की कोशिश।
यहाँ fight for these guys so far, feeling each other out nice and easy with some slice. Jojo's landing a few more leg kicks. Obviously she's got more well-rounded skill with the striking.
She definitely is, but Rekha is the heavier opponent. You can see immediately closing that distance. And good strategy by Jojo, bringing that fight to the ground instantly.
Oh yeah, that was a nice head kick, but Jojo took it like a champ. Straight away ran in for the takedown, but great scramble. Both fighters back on their feet. Nice clinch, nice knee. Ooh.
Oh, look at that. Rekha Chaudhary puts her hands up, but what I like about her is she's cutting the cage off instantly. She's cutting her off and she's bringing the pressure. But Jojo is now slowing down the pace. She's slowing down the pace and waiting for Rekha to come in. She's looking to land that counter. She's looking to land that strike that will get her respect.
Very nice counter, very nice clinch. Both these fighters giving it their all.
Yeah, Rekha Chaudhary though in the black trunks, just stepping forward and trying to find that counter, trying to cut that cage off.
No, very nice combo. Nice leg kick. Both of these fighters taking their time, pacing themselves. Definitely putting on a good show. Nice inside leg kick there by Jojo.
I like the way she's landing those leg kicks. Oh, nice head kick there.
Beautiful combination. Great head kick there.
But she needs to watch out. She tried a good judo trip there a second ago, but good hits by Rekha.
Down, but Rekha's still in it. Don't count her out. She's a boxer.
Oh, Rekha is much more than a boxer. She's in fact working on a wrestling, a Muay Thai. She's picked up some great skills from the Warriors Cove camp where she's trained. Is that right, Rahul?
Yes,
That's where she's been training.
Oh!
Nice. Very nice combination. Her boxing is coming into play here.
Her hands dropped. Well, Jason, if you look at both these ladies, they're fighting in the opposite stance. Who do you think has the advantage here?
Whoever's got the inside angle, obviously. If you're fighting on the same stance, both fighting or the opposite stance, if you're on the outside, you have a better angle.
The one thing that you can see significantly is that the technique is much cleaner for Jojo. She's landing the better shots, she's landing the better strikes, but Rekha is the heavier, stronger fighter. Every time she lands a punch, she definitely wakes her up.
Whoa!
No, you can definitely see Jojo's better with her kicks because she's got more experience. Rekha's better with the hands, I think, for sure.
There we go.
And she's a lot stronger.
Yeah.
She's not being able to be pushed around.
But
Jojo's not used to this strength here.
But that's the thing here. That's what we discussed earlier. The fact that Jojo, the biggest weakness I would say Jojo would have was her inability to get off her back. She's had trouble with that in the past, and so far she's defended it perfectly. Rekha taking her time though, picking her shots, very different from the fighter that I saw 2 years ago.
No, they're figuring each other out. They're still getting the angles now. They're getting some good counters.
Oh man, it's a slugfest.
Getting a little bit more aggressive. Nice uppercuts. Nice hook.
Big shots.
Putting on the pressure. She's got Jojo on the back foot, that's for sure.
Big shots by Rekha there as she tries to close that distance, and the pressure is significant.
Whoa.
Beautiful
Nice
counter straight
overhand
left.
right. She tries again with another one, misses it. A nice clinch.
But the chin
Nice
on Rekha,
grab.
man. She's got her stumbling on the fence.
Rekha's hands are very clean. She's landed some good shots on Jojo, but Jojo's staying in there.
Her chin
Like
though,
a
man.
Oh my gosh, she's a champion.
Her
She's
chin.
not letting it affect her at all.
Her chin,
Both
those
these fighters.
shots she took, those clean straight lefts she took from Jojo are making no impact. And on return, immediately, we talked about this. Big
Oh,
shot,
nice
big
another
left hook,
scramble.
drops her.
Jojo's just in defense mode. She's scrambling. She's trying her best to survive right now. Rekha looks like she's in full control, dominating this fight.
और यहाँ पे रेखा ने ड्रॉप कर दिया था जोजो को, बहुत ही घातक हो सकता है जोजो के लिए। यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी टायर्ड लग रही हैं, But both these ladies back on their feet once again.
I'm just glad she got out of that scramble
Well,
so
looks
beautifully.
like a slugfest here. Looks like a slugfest.
Honestly, very good technique. Both fighters are taking their time. They're throwing heavy shots.
Whoa!
Oh, hang on. Did she get cracked?
Oh, she
got
did.
countered. She got
Oh,
countered.
man.
But hang on, she's not out of it. She's still on her feet.
Oh,
She's hurt. She's hurt. Wow, but good recovery from Rekha.
Nice recovery. Kind of close there, but I think Ranjit's got it.
Oh, man.
Rekha's still in this fight.
That's great
defending well.
refereeing, though.
What a first round. Oh,
Brilliant.
my God. Welcome to Matrix freaking Fight Night, you guys.
Man, what a round and what a start to this fight. Incredible action. Jojo versus Rekha. We could not have asked for a better fight to start off.
चलिए देखते हैं रीप्ले. बहुत ही कड़ाके की टक्कर यहां पे चल रही है. यहां पे रेखा ने 2-3 शॉट्स लैंड किए और एकदम से जोजो ने उनको टेक डाउन कर लिया. और यहां पे देखिए ये जो ओवरहैंड है यही जोजो का बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट है. इसी से उन्होंने नॉकआउट मारा था मैरी जेन पूना को.
That was that head kick that started off, but you know the pressure that Rekha landed throughout the fight. I hope we can see the shot that hurt Rekha Chaudhary, because we can't quite see that counter which caught her and dropped her. But I mean,
We've seen a lot of turn of tables here.
No, definitely a lot of back and forth. Both fighters putting it all on the line. Landed some great strikes from both sides. Amazing first round to the show. Beautiful.
all right, let's take a look at the stats of that first round. Total strikes 49 for Rekha. The significant strikes happened for Rekha as well, but we haven't counted the.
Time, blue, red, round 2, let's go.
चलिए बढ़ते हैं राउंड नंबर 2 की ओर. बहुत ही एक्सप्लोसिव राउंड था पहला वाला. और यहाँ पे दोबारा से कोशिश
Here we
की.
go. Immediately, Rekha Chaudhary steps back in, trying to land those strikes. The pressure is ridiculous. No room for Jojo, and she's trying to prove a point here.
Whoa.
That first knockdown
Both
was.
these guys right here, center, in the corner, pushing the action. Both these guys have got it all on the line. I can't wait to see what they have in the tank for round number 2.
And Jojo's face is a bit busted up, Rahul. She's taken a bit of punishment in that first round.
I'm amazed at the range that these ladies are fighting at, at a very close striking range. And look at the overhand, the left overhand. That's a signature strike.
And that elbow she landed in the pocket there. Again, the 1, 2, 3. Those combinations are coming fast and repeatedly.
और यहाँ पे रेखा को कंटिन्यूस कॉम्बिनेशंस मारने होंगे. एक सिंगल शॉट के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है जोजो. कोशिश वही कर रही है कि लेफ्ट ओवरहैंड किसी तरह कनेक्ट कर जाए. And last time it dropped Rekha. Let's look at that.
Rekha's on that overhand. She's got her guard up. She's blocked it a few times now. She's putting on the pressure once again. Jojo on the back end, on the back foot, definitely against the cage.
No, Jojo is I'm just shocked as how well Jojo's being able to survive this onslaught, because the pressure that Rekha's putting in, she drags her to the ground, trying to get those hooks in. She's riding her back out right now.
No, Jojo is definitely in defense mode right now. Rekha's doing a great job of dominating her. Got all her weight on her, pushing the action, pushing the pressure.
She's got that hook in.
Don't disrespect her ground game. Her ground game is phenomenal right now.
Now she's
putting on
got
a
that
show.
one hook in right now, and Rekha, this is Rekha's game. In the previous organizations that I saw her fight, this is her pressure. The pressure she puts on her opponent, the weight that she makes them carry her weight all the way across and land that ground and pound, and she's almost in mount here. But I think she could finish it from this position.
You can definitely see that the tables have turned. Rekha's in a great position. Her top control is phenomenal. Good defense by Jojo, but once again, look at that
No,
comeback.
this is the beginning of the end, ladies and gentlemen.
Look at the pressure from Rekha. Not holding back at all.
I was
She's
telling
got
you
one
boys.
speed, one speed, full speed. Look at that control. Look at that ground and pound.
I mean, it's insane the way she controls it. She's going to use a salivary position, but she doesn't need to. The ground and pound is ridiculous.
This is amazing, you guys. Look at that top control, knee on belly. The ground and pound.
Hang on, she splits. She throws her off here, trying to get back to her feet. But
Wow.
Rekha not
Look at that
relenting,
takedown.
right in front of us.
No way.
Pressure.
This is just too much. Rekha throwing it on, pouring it on, non-stop. Look at that. She's going back a second. Full mount control. Look at the position and the ground and pound.
Beautiful
Look at that
position for Rekha. She's got that ground and pound
technique.
here.
Oh my God, dude! Look at this action. It's right here.
और यहाँ पे रेखा ने ग्राउंड एंड पाउंड की बहुत ही अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया है और रिवर्सल करते हुए बहुत अच्छी कोशिश थी जोजो कुमारी कोबरा क्वीन की निकलने के लिए, पर बहुत डोमिनेंट है, बहुत डोमिनेंट पोजीशन पे रेखा है और यहाँ पे रेखा
पोजीशन इतनी सही है यार.
No, but the thing is that it's now repeatedly she's taken so many shots, but she's squirming, she's moving, she's changing position, which is why referee Ranjit is giving her more and more chances. But the way Rekha is going, I don't think she might have enough for round 3 if this goes to round 3.
Dude, this ground and pound action is number 1, first class, baby.
Brutal. She needs to watch the shots to the back of the head, though. She landed some shots there earlier. But underneath the armpit, that's a veteran move.
Rekha is just pouring it
Oh
on.
my
She's
God.
looking like Khabib right now with this control. Like Jojo's completely in defense mode.
Oh
right
no,
now.
she needs to watch the shots to the back
She
of the
needs
head,
to-
though.
she needs to start defending. Jojo needs to start defending.
She's got her flattened
Oh.
out. I think the referee said, and that's the end of it.
Oh.
Fantastic stoppage. Great win for Rekha Chaudhary as she demolishes her opponent, Jojo. Jojo put up a great fight, but it was the onslaught of Rekha Chaudhary. And I knew 2 years back when we saw this girl, when she made her way into Indian MMA, that she was going to be a phenom and takes out a veteran fighter in Jojo
Oh my God,
Kumari.
Rekha is a beast.
Unbelievable.
Rekha is a beast. Complete monster.
इतिहास
Dominated.
रच दिया है रेखा ने यहाँ पे आज MFN 15 में पहली फाइट में जिस प्रकार से इन्होंने जोजो कुमारी को धराशाही किया है. I think she's going to be a threat to the entire division, and a lot of ladies, have MFN contracts. They're sitting and watching from home.
I hope so.
I know Rhea Thapa is one. I've got my eyes on that prospect, and she's sitting right in front of her screens tonight, and I'm sure she's watching it.
She's emotional at this point. She's crying. She's beside herself, and absolutely she should be happy with her performance. She put on a clinic. She took a shot. She came back from a knockdown, which was potentially a fight finisher from Jojo. Got her wits under her, came back and put on a clinic in that second round. The pressure, the ground and pound, the aggression. That's what we spoke about. That's what the women of Matrix Fight Night are bringing to you. And Rekha Chaudhary, your winner here in this first fight at Matrix Fight Night 15.
Jason, Arjun, आप दोनों एक दशक से भी ज्यादा से MMA सर्किट का हिस्सा हो, इंडियन MMA का. You've been a part of Indian MMA for almost a decade, more than a decade.
Let's take a look at the replay. That was the end of the fight. She had flattened her out, and that was all the referee could see. That was enough punishment. Jojo had taken some big shots, but let's go inside the cage to Jared Kyle for the final decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ref Ranjit called a stop to the fight after 4 minutes and 5 seconds of round 2. For your winner by TKO, Rekha Chaudhary.